Hey guys, my name is Karthik. You are watching Easy Peasy, and today we are going to see how to make fixed deposit in SBI through net banking. In this video tutorial, I am going to use SBI's net banking website. But if you want to make a fixed deposit using mobile only, then you can check out my another video. I will provide the link for the same in description below. So first of all, open your favorite browser. I am going to use Chrome. In your browser, type online SBI. In the search result, you will be able to see link with URL www.onlinesbi.com. Click on that link. I will provide this same link in the description below. You can check out from there also. Once you are on this page, click on this login button. On the next page, click continue to login. Here provide your username and password and fill the right CAPTCHA code. After successful login, you will be able to see this kind of interface. Among many net banking services, you will be able to see fixed deposit over here. Click on this. Now click on fixed deposit ETDR/ESTDR. Now you will be able to see different kind of fixed deposits. In order to know more about them, click on the links that are provided at the right side. For now, click on fixed deposit ETDR/ESTDR and hit the proceed button. Please make sure that you are applying for fixed deposit in 8 AM to 8 PM. If you are applying for fixed deposit outside this time zone, then request will be generated and it will be processed in next working hours. So now in open new account, if you are having multiple accounts associated with you, then choose the one under which you want to open a fixed deposit. Then over here, type the amount of fixed deposit. Let's say I want to open a fixed deposit of 2000 rupees. Keep in mind that minimum amount by which fixed deposit can be made is 1000 rupees. If you are a senior citizen, then take this checkbox because bank will generally pay you higher interest. Generally, bank will give you the interest quarterly, which means every 3 months. So the next thing is term deposit options. So there are two options, STDR and TDR. So let's understand what is the difference between these two. So in STDR, whenever bank wants to give you the interest, it will add that interest amount to your principal amount, and this new amount will be your principal amount, and this thing will keep going until your maturity period. While under TDR, whenever bank wants to pay you the interest, it will credit that amount to your bank account, which you can withdraw and you can spend it whenever you want. So next thing is, suppose you want to make a fixed deposit of certain amount and of a certain period. So what will be your maturity amount? So how to know that? So for that, click on maturity inquiry. So now we are under maturity inquiry. So let's say I want to make a fixed deposit of 50,000 rupees. I am not a senior citizen and I want to choose STDR option. Then tenure of deposit, which means duration of this fixed deposit, which you can choose in number of days, number of years, months and days, as well as you can pick maturity date as well. So let's say I want to make it for like 1 year. So let me choose 1 year, 0 months and 0 days. Then hit submit button. As you can see that maturity amount is this one, which I will get at maturity date, and my interest rate is 5%. So notice that my profit is 2547 rupees. Now let's hit back. Now let's see for TDR option, 50,000 rupees. Option is TDR, and I want to make this fixed deposit for same 1 year. Let's submit. As you guys can see that at the maturity period I will get 50,000 rupees, which is at this date my interest rate is 5%, and I'll be getting 625 rupees at every 3 months, which means quarterly. So 625 into 4 is 2500 rupees, which is slightly lesser than STDR option. Now come back to open new account. Select your debit account, then enter the amount of which you want to open a fixed deposit. Tick this checkbox if you are a senior citizen. Let me tell you one more thing, that in STDR minimum tenure period is 180 days, while in TDR minimum tenure period is 7 days. So in STDR you will have to choose tenure period. Then once your fixed deposit is mature, you will have three options. The first one is auto renew principal and interest. In this option your new fixed deposit will be created from your whole maturity amount, and its tenure period you will have to choose from here. Second option is auto renew principal and repay interest. In this option interest will get credited into your account, and the new fixed deposit will get created, whose principal amount will be as same as previous principal amount. And third option is repay principal and interest, in which whole maturity amount will get credited into your account. As I am making this fixed deposit for demonstration purposes, let me choose TDR type of fixed deposit, so that I can choose 7 number of days. Here also I have two options, auto renew principal and repay interest, in which interest will get credited into my account and the new fixed deposit will be created, whose tenure period I will have to choose from here. But I want to choose repay principal and interest. Then accept terms and conditions. If you want to check out interest rate, then click this link. Here click this domestic term deposits, then click this interest rates for below 2 crore rupees. Here you can see whole table. If you are a senior citizen, then check out this column, last column, and otherwise check out this second column. Let me close this window, then hit the submit button. Now you are just one step away from creating a fixed deposit. What you have to do is just verify the details which are given. So verify amount, type of deposit, tenure period, interest payout, and so on. Once verification is done, hit this confirm button. Once you will hit the confirm button, your fixed deposit will get created. And as you can see, my request is successful, and you can note down this transaction number for future references. So once your request is successful, wait to see whether your fixed deposit has been created or not. For that, click on my account and profile, then click on this account summary. In account summary you will be able to see all your deposit accounts. To view all deposit accounts, click on this link. Here you will find all your fixed deposits. As you can see, my fixed deposit of 1000 rupees, which will mature after 7 days, has been created successfully. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.